Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a haul for you guys, and these are all the items that I bought before Eid and then during Eid, and sub jo hai Eid ke baad jaake deliver with us. That was a tragedy because all the items were intended to be worn on Eid. So I'm going to be showing you literally everything that I got, from clothing to footwear to jewelry to makeup and to organizational everyday stuff. So without any further ado, let's get into the actual video. So just a disclaimer, I did not buy these items like literally in one go. Aisa nahi tha that I just went online and bought loads and loads of stuff and spent a huge hefty amount. No, that's not what happened. I actually ordered all of these one by one as I was getting like pocket money. There's this thing in my family that my parents give me money right before Eid to actually go for Eid shopping, so that's what I did. By no means am I trying to brag or anything in this video, just a disclaimer, you guys, because a lot of you might get the wrong idea from this video. And yeah, this is not purely a clothing haul, but it's like a general haul of all the things that I got. Without any further ado, let's get into this actual video. Very first thing that I purchased were some kurtis from Beach Street, but they're not for Eid, they're for like everyday wear. And I got like these two kurtis from Beach Street. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna show each one of you. Honestly, this is not really a kurti, but it's more like a top, so it's not really a kurti. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cute and it's neon, so I just love it. This is what it looks like. It has a plain round neck and it has like scrunched up sleeves a little bit, and they're half sleeves, they're not like 3/4 or full sleeves, so it's pretty cool. And especially मैंने इसलिए लिया because the color is neon and it looks very aesthetic. So second kurti that I bought from Beach Street was this one, and it actually came with a matching mask, which is pretty cool. But the thing is कि बहुत छोटा है मेरे face पे, so it's like giving me marks on here. But this is what the kurta looks like. This is actually a kurti, I suppose, because it looks like a kurti. This is what it looks like. And it's A-line, and it has like a neon green thread work on the neck, and then it has green buttons. This is what the sleeve looks like. It's a plain straight sleeve. I think it bell sleeves it. I'm not really sure if they're really straight or they're bell sleeves, but yeah, it looks good overall. I've tried this one too, and it's like a frock style, and I kind of like frock style kurtis. So the best part is it came with a matching mask. So this is what the mask looks like. The next thing that I got in clothing were these pants from Zelbury, and these are like the straight fit mom jeans. You can see like it's really loose and baggy, which I absolutely love because मेरी collection में हर jeans जो है वो skinny है या बिल्कुल slim fit है, and they all pretty much give the same look. So I wanted something that was baggy and loose. This is what the pant looks like, and it's like straight fit. And I scrunched it up at the bottom because I've worn this one time, but like it's part of the haul, so I wanted to show you guys that I got this too. And I scrunched it up from the bottom because it's very long, and you like scrunch up the bottom and you wear like cute socks and cute shoes and pair it up, and there you go. So that is why I got this, because I absolutely love the look of it. And I even used these jeans in one of my outfit videos on Instagram, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll just put it right up here so you guys can see. The next item in this haul are these shoes that I got from Shop IDs. Shop IDs is a page on Instagram, and I think they have a shop in Lahore. But like मैंने Instagram से दोनों मंगवाए हैं. I was really worried about the sizes because I've never bought footwear online, और मुझे नहीं पता था कि like किस तरह की चप्पल आएंगी, will they fit me or will they not. But they both turned out to be perfectly fit. They perfectly fit me, so that's great. I'm gonna be showing you these two shoes that I got. So the first one is basically these shoes that I got. They're very trendy and they look very cool. This is what they look like. I absolutely love iski finish is, and it's black and white, so it goes with like every single outfit. At least that's what I do. Buy neutrals or black and white क्योंकि ये ऐसे footwears होते हैं जो literally हर outfit के साथ जाते हैं. बस इसका एक drawback है that they're kind of hard. They're not really soft, so I wouldn't recommend wearing them in the long wear, even though I ordered this so that I can wear them daily. Since it's not very soft and not very comfortable, I don't think I can wear this for longer hours. But overall, I like the design, I like the quality, and for the price it was really good because I got this off a sale. It was supposed to be for 2,000 above, but I got this for only 1,300. For the price, the quality and the design and everything is pretty good. This pair of sandals that I got are basically these. They're white, and this is what they look like. How many times am I gonna do that? This is what the chappal looks like, and I think these were very comfortable to wear, even though iska bhi hard sole hai. But I wore this for like an entire day and it was comfortable. It was good. But there's like this cool cut work, and they're very minimalist, they're very aesthetic, they're very nice. I like them. They're white, so literally I can pair this up with any outfit, and they actually match my dress. And again, these were above 2,000, but in sale I got this for 1,300 rupees, so that's pretty great. Got both of these shoes in just 2,600, which I think is such a good steal. It's finally time to come down to my favorite part of this video, and that is jewelry. They recently introduced the entire Shein collection on their page, and it was all on sale because Eid was around the corner and they put up everything on sale. So I pre-ordered everything, and since I pre-ordered it, they actually delivered it to me after Eid, even though मैंने सारी jewelry Eid के लिए pick की थी, but like वो मुझे Eid के बाद मिली. So I'm showing you what I got in this little cute little package. There's like a lot of things that I got, and they all cost me 3,600. There's this one earring that I got for myself. It's like a stud, and then it's like a chain that goes up to my top piercing because guys, I have a lot of piercings. Like वो जो है वो अभी तक deliver नहीं हुआ है, so this is pretty much all that I got this time. So I got this packet of studs. I think these are 23 studs. इसमें actually 30 studs हैं. 30 studs, and they were only for 9.99. So that means that each pair was only 30 rupees. This is what the studs look like. Honestly, they all are so pretty. You guys are so beautiful and बहुत अच्छी quality के. Then I got this chain. So this is what the chain looks like. It's really cute. It has these two interlooping circles over here. Very cute and minimalist, and the quality of the chain is actually really nice. And yeah, I kind of really love it. Got these super cute earrings from Shein again. They're very cute. As you can see, they're gold little, I don't know what shape this is, but it actually looks pretty aesthetic and it's very cool. Next up, I got these chains. Honestly, this is my most favorite item in the entire parcel that I got. And I accidentally dropped my chains. So they're basically two chains. They're separate, but actually you have to wear one jo short ho or ek lamba ho, so they look like, you know, they're in layers. You're supposed to wear it like this, you know, you get the idea. This is how you're supposed to wear it, so it looks pretty cool and aesthetic, and I absolutely love these chains. They're very pretty, they're very delicate, and I love delicate jewelry. I just hate jewelry that's super chunky and super thick. I like very minimalist, very delicate jewelry, so that's that. Apart from all of this, there was actually one more pair of earrings that I got like I think 2-3 days before I got this entire box, and they were like silver twisted earrings from Marshalls that I also got from Big Gallery, but I can't really find them where I've kept them because they were separate. So if I find them, I'm gonna add this in this video. If not, I'm just gonna put up a picture right here so you guys can see what they look like. Let's move on further into the haul. Next order came in from Pink Peach on Instagram. I got like 2 items from them. Firstly, I got these fishnet stockings from them, and I know they look kind of funny and clumsy, but these stockings are very cool, and मैंने ये इसलिए मंगवाई हैं because I've always wanted to have fishnet stockings that I can wear underneath ripped jeans. So like with ripped jeans के through, like you can see those crisscross stockings, and then they even look cool as socks. So I absolutely was dying to try them out. I'll like put up a picture over here so you guys can see what I'm trying to say, but they actually look pretty cool. Their print is like, so you get the idea. And they expand, they're stretchable, they're comfortable, they're made of a very soft fabric. So I really like these. I've tried these on and they look really good. The next thing that I got from Pink Peach was this lipstick kit, and obviously it's not the original Huda Beauty, but yeah, they had like a lot of lip strobes in it, and there are like 15 lip strobes in it. I just love the holographic look, and they have like a lot of lip colors in it. So you can see that they have like a lot of lip strobes in it, and they all are equally pretty. So lastly, we're moving on to all the stuff that I ordered from Daraz, and this is pretty much it. There are a lot of things that I ordered from Daraz, and they're not exactly clothing or jewelry or makeup. They're just like random stuff that I just wanted to get my hands on. So RGB lights that I want to put up on the top of my room's ceiling, or on my room's ceiling on the top of my room, and I've been dying to get my hands on them. This is what the box looks like, and they were for only 600. So definitely I had to buy, because honestly I'm that kind of person. I just love buying stuff that is cheap. Not that because, you know, like I cannot afford it. I do try some high-end stuff too, which I really like, and it's like my holy grail. So I just go for it. भले उसका कोई cheap alternative भी मुझे क्यों ना मिले. But like some stuff, when you know, like you get a lot of things on sale, or if you get a lot of things at a bargained price, or you get a lot of things at cheap rates, it's really satisfying. I don't know if you guys can relate, but I think a lot would be able to relate in this matter. This is basically the remote that I'm going to be showing you, but this is what the RGB lights looks like. It comes with a connector and an adapter, and there's this entire reel of the RGB lights. I'm really struggling right here, guys. I'm sorry for the view that you're getting right now. The coolest part is that it comes with a little cute remote, which is in this box, and you can see it's pretty cute, and you can like control everything from here. You can control whether you want the red light, the green light, the blue light. So that's pretty cool. You can adjust the brightness, you can switch it off, switch it on. So this is pretty cool, and I absolutely love it. Moving on to this entire parcel that I got from Daraz. There are a lot of things in there. Some of them I even included in my previous vlogs, if you guys want to go check that out. Here comes my randomness completely. So in this first pack, I basically got these organization hooks that I saw on YouTube. Put them on the wall and then hang the broomstick. Very handy. They're very feasible. So I got them. And I got 2 of these only, so well, like, this is the boring part, but I gotta show you what I gotta show you. The girl's gotta do her thing. Got myself some face razors that I really needed. Rose loose powder. It says foundation powder, but it's not actually foundation powder. It's actually loose powder, and I got this in the shade Ivory. I've tried Miss Rose ka loose powder pehle bhi, but it wasn't the same one, and it was good, so I decided to try this one too. Open it and show it to you. It comes with a lid, a seal, which is pretty good. This is what it looks like. There's a lot of product in there, you guys. So got Miss Rose ka cake eyeliner, and a big tragedy happened with me while I was unsealing, opening, whatever, this, okay? And in my previous vlog, like I was trying to open this because the packaging was like super, you know, bahut zyada hi hui thi, and there were like a lot of tapes and cardboards around it, and I was trying to open it and I ended up cutting my hands. If you guys want to see that, the whole thing, the whole process, my whole reaction, don't forget to check out my vlog, and I'm gonna leave a link to it down below. It was horrible and it was painful. I got this, and it's actually an organizer. Isko maine khud hi abhi tak nahi khola hai. This is what it looks like. I know it looks like a toy, but it's not. It's an organizer. It's like a divider for the drawers. Okay, you can adjust them to jitne bhi bade aapko squares chahiye, and then you can place the things inside the squares. Okay, and these are 4 strips. You like place them in a drawer, and then you place things in the middle, so cheezein jo hai aapas mein jumble up nahi hoti hai. Organize your things, because I love organizing and I hate cluttered items, and I hate items that are like just jumbled up together. So I had to get this. So that is pretty much it for my haul, and that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this entire video and all the stuff that I bought before Eid and after Eid. And yeah, I really enjoyed filming this haul video for you guys, and this was the first time that I was doing a video like this. So if you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like these in the future. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.